Today's dive is a local dive to Marmion Reef, 2 nautical miles west of Perth's northern beaches at Scarborough. The conditions are not great. Rose Reef is a large reef with a number of nice caves if you can get to the right places on the reef. Today, however, we only found a couple of nice caves. Inside the cave, we spot a foxfish. The walls of the cave are covered in colourful sponges, sea fans and encrusting life. A dewfish swims by in the distance. These popular eating fish are heavily protected with strict size and bag limits. Dewfish can live to up to 70 years and are under pressure from fishing, but numbers do seem to be improving a bit. I head up back to the surface. I signal to the camera that I'm going to carry out a 3-minute safety decompression stop at 5 meters. My second dive is at Brian's Bommie, a compact conical reef that goes from about 11 meters to 18 meters, with coral on top and sand around the base. There are a lot of small ledges where some of our divers hunt for crays. At depth on sand around the base, there are a number of large, colourful and unusually shaped sponge colonies. Large numbers of small wrasses follow the divers around. I stop to look at a soft coral. The coral is a colony of animals, each called polyps, and they look just like sea anemones, to which they are related. The polyps filter food from the water flow around them. Corals, anemones and jellyfish are cousins, all part of the family Cnidarians with a silent C. Meanwhile, the crayfishers continue to look for their quarry. I examine a hard coral colony atop a rock. This is a type of staghorn coral called family Acropora. Unlike soft coral, hard corals have carbonate skeletons that are rigid. I come back to the anchor and start my ascent through the cloudy water. Thanks for watching. I'm your host Sharky Jones. Please hit like and subscribe and stick around to see the still photo section of this video, and join us again next time on Aquatic Australia.